Do you ever procrastinate doing a project, whether it's cleaning out, organization, or something else, because in your mind you think you need a whole day to devote to that project? I have found myself doing that with a pantry clean out. Now, I did a full pantry reorganization about 2 years ago. I'll link that video down below. But as with every organizational project, you know, you have to keep on top of it. And I felt like I was doing okay until we got our puppy. Then it's just been shoving things in, and now my pantry currently looks like this. You can see I still have my organizational bins in there, but they're just overflowing. There have been a lot of new additions on that second shelf there where there's tea. There are too many things in there. And I know that I can purge some things and clear some things out. So what I want to do in today's video is I want to show you and myself how much we can accomplish in just 15 minutes. I know that does not sound like enough time to even make a dent in what you just saw, but I know in the past when I have done this, I put myself on a timer. I've been amazed at how much I can get done, and those projects that you think are going to take so long don't end up taking that long. Now, this is not going to be a thorough clean out of my pantry. I am not going to pull out everything off the shelves and reorganize. This is kind of the equivalent to when you find out company is coming over to your house and you have 15 minutes to shove everything in a closet or clear things out and make it look like your house is kind of clean. That's what we're gonna do. Although I'm not gonna be shoving anything in a closet, it's probably gonna be going in the trash can. So I think this is gonna be fun. I hope you find it fun. Now, I am probably going to fast forward the 15 minutes, so you're not just sitting here for 15 minutes watching everything, but I will keep the entire thing in there, so it'll just be on a quicker speed. And then I will show you the finished results after 15 minutes, and we'll see if there's any additional time that we need to devote. So I'm gonna get my timer ready and get started. Okay, the alarm is set on my watch. So on your mark, get set, go. Okay, time is up. So in 15 minutes, you can see I was just grappling a little bit with how to reorganize all of the drink things and drink mixes, and then trying to frantically kind of clear out a little more down here. So I made a really good start, and actually it's one of those things that once I got going, I'm motivated to keep going. Let's try another 15 minutes and let's see what we can accomplish. See if I can finish up everything in 15 more minutes. Ready, set, go. Okay, I think we're done, and I still have 7 minutes to spare. So in less than 30 minutes, let me show you what we accomplished. Okay, so I even did do a little reorganization. So I decided to use these bins from Dollar Tree for the tea and drink mixes so I can see what's back there, because a lot of times I had no idea and therefore I was not drinking or using those things. And then I put kind of my normal regular tea bags here. This is some loose leaf tea that my dear friend Betsy created for me, Sharalee's tea blend. So I just think that's special. So I like having that front and center. But this top shelf for the most part is drinks. And then of course I have that little bit of chicken stock there, but my syrups. And then this shelf, I feel like, is now cleared off. We don't have any of that clutter there in the front. I was able to use this bin that used to be up on that next shelf up to hold just kind of pancake mix and syrup and just some overflow. This stuff was just stacked in here. And then the next shelf down, just by clearing out a few things that were expired from here. Now I have not yet put my powdered sugar in the container. I'm gonna do that momentarily, but I felt like I didn't have to include that in my time here. And then the next shelf down, just again by clearing out some old nuts and dried fruit and combining some things, all of that is cleared out. Same thing with the chips, just clearing a few things out. And then this bin also has some of my extra syrups for drink and tea and lemonade that I use to make spiced tea. And of course, Gracie's corner could use a little organization, but I don't really care about that. It's in the corner, tucked away. So here is our final look. And I have to say, I am super pleased. Okay, other than taking out my huge bag of trash, I'm officially done. And I have to say, I am shocked at how much I was able to accomplish in the first 15 minutes. And then by just tacking on a few more minutes, 8 more minutes, I was able to actually complete the project. So I hope that this motivated you. If you're somebody like me who only has short snippets of time, maybe when your kids are napping, or like me, the puppy is at the groomer, and I try to quickly do something, it's amazing what you can get done in 15, 20, even 30 minutes. And let's face it, most of us can easily spend that time just scrolling through Instagram or YouTube, right? So I hope that this video was motivating to you if you needed motivation to go get that closet or that pantry or that drawer cleaned out. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.